In today's video, we are going to look at the top 5 best 4G Android tablets available on the market. We research web and read lots of real user reviews before creating the 4G Android tablets list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the 4G Android tablets mentioned, be sure to check the description link. Subscribe to our channel. And press the bell button for more informative videos. Number 5, Alcatel RT7 Titan 4G Rugged Tablet. The Alcatel RT7 Titan is a robust and powerful tablet designed for durability. With a 10.1-inch FHD display, this rugged tablet is built to withstand tough environments. Powered by Android 13, it features 8GB RAM and 256GB storage for smooth multitasking and ample space for media. Its massive 32,000 mAh battery ensures extended use, ideal for outdoor activities or professional tasks. With 4G LTE connectivity, dual cameras, 32MP 48MP, and a rugged design, it's perfect for professionals in challenging conditions. Number 4, Chewy HiPad 11 Tablet. The Chewy HiPad 11 is designed for gaming and multimedia enthusiasts. With a 10.95-inch FHD display, 1920 by 1200, this tablet offers immersive visuals for games, videos, and apps. Powered by a Unisoc T616 processor, 6GB LPDDR4 RAM, and 128GB storage, it ensures fast and responsive performance. Running on Android 14, it supports Widevine L1 for high-quality streaming. Its 4G LTE capabilities keep you connected on the go, making it a solid choice for both entertainment and productivity. Number 3, Blackview Tab 16 Pro Tablet PC. The Blackview Tab 16 Pro features a large 11-inch FHD display that enhances visual experiences, perfect for entertainment or professional tasks. Powered by a T616 octa-core processor, this tablet is equipped with a massive 24GB, 816GB, RAM and 256GB ROM for smooth performance and ample storage. Its 7,700 mAh battery ensures long-lasting use, while 4G LTE connectivity offers reliable internet access. Running on Android 14, this tablet delivers a modern interface and excellent compatibility with apps, making it an ideal choice for multitasking and staying connected. Number 2, New 10.1-inch 4G LTE Tablet. This 10.1-inch tablet combines powerful performance with practical features, making it ideal for work or play. Featuring 4G LTE for phone calls and data connectivity, it offers the convenience of dual GPS, Bluetooth, and Wi-Fi for smooth navigation and communication. With an octa-core processor, 8GB RAM, and 256GB ROM, it ensures responsive performance and ample storage for apps, media, and documents. The tablet's large screen and versatile functionality make it suitable for entertainment, productivity, and communication on the go. Number 1, New 5G Pad 10.1-inch Android Tablet. This advanced 10.1-inch Android tablet offers blazing fast 5G connectivity, making it perfect for streaming, gaming, and multitasking. With an octa-core processor, 8GB RAM, and a massive 512GB ROM, this tablet ensures smooth performance for apps and media. The 2560 by 1600 2K FHD display provides stunning visuals, perfect for watching movies or working on high-resolution content. Its 8,000 mAh battery offers long-lasting usage on the go, while 4G LTE and 5G Wi-Fi capabilities ensure seamless internet access anywhere. Whether for work, entertainment, or calls, this tablet delivers versatility in power in a sleek, portable package.